Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquitalvluxury. On today, I am going to provide some information to you guys, and no, it's not good news, but I have to be honest, and I'd rather tell you guys because some of you just don't know what's going on, and I hate that for you. But before we get started, make sure you view those past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquitalvluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so besties, before we move on to the cherry blossom collection, the information that I want to share, we still have to speak on this Neverfull MM with this gold hardware that LV put in all of their lookbooks, but in the description it states silver hardware. Like, I don't know what's going on in the back. I don't know what's going on in that back office, but this right here to me is like a huge error. It's not a tiny error. This is a huge error. Like, people are not, I don't know, because you had to take time to create this. Like, it took time to create this, and it's more than one picture. I mean, they put gold hardware on the pochette. I mean, the D-rings, like, this took time to create. Unless this is what I'm guessing was supposed to be created. Was it supposed to be with gold hardware and they turned around and just changed it to silver hardware and they just used the wrong pictures? But stuff like this cannot happen, okay? It just cannot happen, because a lot of people are actually happy about the gold hardware. Even though we kept saying, oh no, we want silver hardware, there were tons of people that were like, no, we love the gold hardware with this color. But I am here to let you guys know this is a mistake from what I am hearing, unless, and I'm pretty sure that's not true, that they're coming out with the exact color and giving us gold hardware. That's just not a move that I can see LV making. I just think it's an error. But guys, I do have pictures. I do have a video of the actual handbag with silver hardware. Now, I am going to tell you this, and I am going to be honest. After looking at the video, and let me just show you the video, okay? I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show you the pictures. The silver is not loud enough. On the lookbook, on the pictures, it is. But in actual video, this is something that you have to go in and see, okay? The actual video showing the silver hardware is like it's camouflaging. It's not popping like the gold is, okay? So maybe we should have shut our mouths. I don't know. But just look at the video and let me know what you think, okay? It's a quick video. Let me know what you think. Okay, so besties, what do you think? And shout out to a bestie for sending me this information and these videos, because her CA actually had one in the boutique and that was perfect. I've been seeing, like, I'm telling you, I've been seeing so many messages in my inbox saying, Marquita, no, it's silver, it's silver. But like I said, I need to see actual proof. And guys, this is more than enough. So let me know how you feel. The color of the handbag is beautiful. I still stand by that. But with the silver hardware, I just feel like it's kind of hidden. You know, it's not popping like the gold. Okay? It's like we spoke too soon. We should have just shut up. Okay. It is what it is, but guys, you have the video, you see it with the pochette. Now, you let me know what you think. Are you back team gold like we were originally, or are you okay with the silver? I just feel like the silver is being kind of drawn out, you know, kind of not, it's not popping. That's all I can say. It's not popping like the gold, okay? Okay, so besties, let's speak on the LV Cherry Blossom collection, okay? I'm going to be very careful with my words. I just need for you guys to pay attention. And you know what? Let's just get started. You guys, some of you have not received your items from the multicolor collection. We understand the chaos. I mean, the lunch, everything was just sloppy. Like, it was just crazy. I mean, from the CAs ignoring their clients, not being honest, some of the CAs not knowing what's going on, just a shortage of items. Like I said, a delay in shipping. Some of you guys are still waiting. But let me tell you this. The Cherry Blossom is going to be worse. It's going to be worse. You do have those that are collectors. You have these VICs that are collectors, guys. You know VICs get first grabs. That's exactly how it's going to go again. VICs are going to get first grabs. Pre-orders, guys, are open. They're just open to VICs. I told you guys this, and it's certain tiers, okay? They are going to have it set to where it's going to be online only. But when you guys go online, it's going to be notify me. Just like it was with the multicolor. But with the multicolor, myself, I saw some items were in and out of stock. You were able to push through an order. It's not going to be like that with the Cherry Blossom. I'm letting you guys know now. It's going to be notify me, and you're not going to catch anything online. And if you do catch anything online, guys, you're very, very lucky. You're very, very lucky. Okay? There are only going to be a few boutiques that get shipment of items. And when I say a very few, I do have a list. I am going to wait and get that confirmed before. But I know for sure New York, this is just all a mess, is going to be covered. VICs are getting first grabs, guys. And they get to get as many items as they want. They are VICs, okay? If anything is left, you are going to have to order through a CA still. It's not going to hit online. You are going to have to order through a CA still. So if you don't have a CA, if you're not favored by a CA, you are going to have to wait till these hit the pre-love market. You are going to have to wait till these hit eBay. And of course, guys, there's going to be an upcharge. So if you do see anything from the LV Cherry Blossom collection being sold to consignment shops on eBay, guys, 9 times out of 10, it's those VIC customers, okay? And I'm just going to be honest with you. It's going to be like this in May as well for the Cherry collection. Guys, it's going to be hard to get these items. Like I said, I'm being careful with my words, and I'm hoping you guys are understanding and catching on to what I am saying, okay? For those that at this point, I will be frustrated as well. Some of you guys still have not received your items from the multicolor collection. My opinion, I can't let anyone hold my money that long. I hate pre-ordering 30 days in, 30 days in advance. I hate pre-ordering. I hate for them having my money. I told you guys how I am about pre-orders. Some of you guys is going on 3 months. It's going on 3 months, 2 months, 3 months with no update. They just have your money. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. At first, I was like, okay, just weigh it out, because some CAs are like, orders are being pushed through. I even seen, honestly, I've seen, even in my Facebook group, I've seen people receive their items. So I was like, okay, you guys just hold tight, push through. But if you ordered at the beginning of January, even in December, and you don't have your items, yes, I will be upset. I will be highly upset. I can't tell you what to do, but I just know what I would do, and I'm not going to tell you what I would do because I don't want that to influence you. If you want the item, sit it out, but you know what to do, okay? Guys, this cherry blossom collection, that's it. Black and white. It's going to be hard to get. It's going to be worse than a multicolor collection. I'm not even going to sugarcoat anything. It's going to be hard. You need a CA more than ever. But then on top of having a CA, you are going to have to be a VIC. Unless you just know a CA that's going to squeeze an order in. And I'm not even sure if that'll put their job on the line. But it's that tight. When I tell you, as far as ordering, it's just that tight. I'm being honest with you. I can't wait till this is over. I cannot wait until this is over. We still have May. I can't wait till this is over, okay? I showed you guys the pictures. If you are VIC, your CA should have reached out to you by now as far as pre-ordering goes. If you are interested, if you are a VIC and you have not heard from your CA, you could be one of those that are tiered, meaning the lower VIC, but that doesn't exclude you from ordering. So just check in with your CA, okay? Guys, I'm sorry. We all know how this goes when it hits online. They notify me. That's all I can give you guys. That's it. That's the truth. It's going to hit a few boutiques. It is. And that's even going to be tight as well. Okay? That's going to be tight as well. So guys, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. You do have other collections that are coming out. If you are a big collector of this collab, I don't know what to tell you. But to wait on Pre-Loved or eBay, look, guys, I don't know what to say. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.